Okay, so we will be replacing the bulb of this one. So you just pry this part, actually, and then you can push it going there. Okay. Okay. So same with the other side. Okay. So that's it. You're able to remove the cover. Then if you can see this one, I hope it's visible. So let me just, is it visible? This part, you can just, this is the bulb, this part. Okay, so I hope you can see it. So this is the bulb, and the other one, this is the, wait, yeah, I hope you can see it. Let me put my hand here. So this one, this is the other bulb. Okay, so let me just remove it so that I can show it to you. So you can turn this one like that. Okay, so that is the bulb. So you can just pull it, then replace it with another one. So this is an LED. So let me just try to replace it with the halogen so that you can see the difference. Okay, so if I turn this one, that's the LED. It's white. So let us change it with a halogen so that you can see the difference. I'll have my halogen here. Okay, so is it visible? Yeah, so I'll pull this one. Okay, then I'll put the halogen here. So let me just turn on again, and that is our LED. So maybe I'll put it back so that you can see the difference. So I'll put it back again, then just move your way around. Okay, I think that's fixed. Then let's see its night view. So let me just turn off the light. Okay, so that is the night view. This is the halogen that I replaced, and that is the LED. Okay, so it's this one is quite, it looks like it's very cheap. This one looks like sophisticated, or it's somewhat saucy. Okay, so same, the process is the same with this one. You just turn it, I think you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. So this one is depending on your view. This is using my left hand, it is counterclockwise. I don't know. Yeah. So that's the bulb. You just insert it. Wait, I'll just remove it. Okay, so I'll remove this one. Oh, it's quite hot. Oh. Then I'll put my LED. Okay, again, it's working. If you put it like this, it's not working. As you can see, but if I will reverse its polarity, it will work. Okay, so I'll reverse it. Oops, sorry. I think that's not the reverse. This one is the reverse. Okay, so it's working. So I'll put it back. So I'll just use my finger to see where is the hole. And then wait, move my way around. Okay, wait. Okay, then turn it, and that's it. You can see that's already changed, and this is LED. The process is same with this one. So as for this one, the what we call air conditioner, yeah, the aircon bulbs. So you need to remove the screw here, this screw, and then this screw, and then the screw below here. So the problem with this one is you need to remove the whole panel, this panel. Okay, the whole panel here, this one. So we have screws here. Just make your or just discovered where the screws are, and then remove. I think we have a screw here, and then on the other side. Okay. So as for the cigarette lighter and the ashtray bulbs, you can actually replace it by removing the stereo, this one. So I'll be removing the stereo, and then let me just remove the connection. Okay, so that you can see it. I'll be making my stereo permanent after this video. Okay, so you can actually look inside there. Okay, so I hope it's visible. So you can, if your hands are not that tight, you can actually remove. So this one is for the ashtray. You can turn it clockwise or and that one. So this is a T5 bulb. So let me just turn that one on. So this one is its bulb. Okay, I think my bulb is loose. I'm sorry with the lighting, that one. So that's it. That's my T5. Then just put it back, and then okay, turn it again. So that one, it's working. And for the cigarette lighter, you have it here. I cannot show you because it's too fit, but let me have the flathead screwdriver so that I can just show you. So for the cigarette lighter, it's located here actually. This one, the one with the green wire, this one. So you can just turn it. So maybe I'll turn it and then I'll show you. Yeah, that one. Okay, so let me just remove it, show you that you can actually remove it from the stereo here. Okay, so just remove that's the bulb. So you can remove the bulb and then replace it with the bulb of your choice. So let me just put it back. I'll insert it. Then let me just use my finger first to feel. Okay, I think okay, so that's it. Let me turn off the light. So this is the cigarette lighter that we removed. This is the coin or the ashtray holder or compartment. Okay, so that's it. If you want to return the panels, you can just return it. For this one, this part, you can just put it back and then push it. Okay, Okay, you just push it and it's back. Same with the instrument panel cover. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have suggestions or questions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.